So hello friends, Hitesh is here. Today I am going to showcase Sound Fruit, also known as the Song Fruit Showcase. So let's start guys with the first ability called what was it? Rhapsody Notes. Rhapsody Notes. Okay. There's a tempo meter. I'll show it after 2. How much damage it does. Let's go to Forest Pirates first. Let me just activate my tempo meter with aura guys, and my stats is maxed. As you can see, block shoots maxed. Okay guys, let's start with the first ability. It is bro, who's bro. Okay guys, again I'm going to do it again, but in a different location. Okay guys, it does 4614. First ability does 4614. The second ability does 4005. The third ability does it does 5517. Guys, it does 5517. And now tempo meter. Let's just like grow it up, and I'm gonna see 5 4 3 2 1, and okay, the image there 3 2 1. It does no guys, that's fake. That's it. It does more than 7,000 guys. Let me just go to Hydra Island and show you in the testing dummy. Okay. Guys, we're back. Okay. Let me just do it like this. Training dummy. As soon as I step in, he's going to summon. Okay. Glacier Harmony. Okay. No, wait. I need to... Wait, what the? Okay. Nah. It don't do that much damage, guys. It'll do more. So I can literally one-shot this dummy. I'll be right back. Yes, guys. Now let's just use this ability. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Told you it does more than 7,000. Bro, what the hell is going on? Okay. This might be a mistake, guys. Song Fruit is literally best used in the game. And with that. Okay. Told you guys it does more than 7,000 damage. I told you guys. Why don't you listen to me? This is it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.